So this part of the project is about applying our learnings from part one of the project, and that project was needed so that we could better understand the roles that First Nations knowledge could play when working on technical outcomes and landscape rehabilitation. This part of the project is about applying those learnings on a site and beginning the process of rehabilitating that site.
For this stage of the project, we are trying to apply knowledge and questions that the traditional owners have on the land, and applying it into water models and trying to provide answers and potentially look at different solutions to try and improve the conditions of the particular site.
So we've approached this project from the very beginning with really close engagement and strong communication between the full project team, but especially with Aunty Blades, who's representative of the traditional owners of the site. She is a traditional owner of the site, but it's been her input and engagement that has been integral to the lessons that we've been learning, as well as the way that we've understood the site, the way that we've developed questions that the models can respond to, and the way that we're approaching creating the rehabilitation action plan as well.
I think it's still an ongoing learning process. I think importantly we learned that there is a lot of collaboration involved, and that's necessary. It's not only just learning from the traditional owners, but at the same time sharing the knowledge and building upon a better outcome.
There's so many learnings that we've had so far, and that it's going to be interesting to see how far we can push the project itself, understanding that it's just a really tiny site in a very degraded landscape, but we're hoping that the lessons that we learn can be used and applied across the catchment itself, but more broadly within Queensland and the Murray-Darling Basin.